we go.
My go-kart at the blaster's ready.
Yeah, I got it in the back of my truck.
Wait, what?
Yeah, watch this. Hold on. Y'all hanging on?
Scared out of my mind, but I will be definitely.
Welcome back to the channel.
What time is it?
It's time to tear my go-kart down.
Are you tired of this pink? What color are we going
I
with?
hate pink.
We don't hate it, but what time is
It's
it?
the worst color in the whole universe.
No, it's not. Are we
Yes,
going
it
to tear
is.
this thing down and paint it what color? Tell them what color you're going to go with it.
Military camo.
Military camo with number what?
30?
33. And what color is the frame going to be? Military tan or military gray?
It's going to be the same as the go-kart.
All right, so here we go. We're about to do what to this thing?
Tear it down.
Tear it down.
Smithereens.
Let's do it. Well, my help obviously went in. They heard you pull up with food, so they took off. But here you go. You guys see it didn't take long to look like nothing. So it's pretty much a bare chassis almost. All I've left to do is the bottom pan with the pedals, which all that'll come off from the bottom. And I won't have to take none of these off. It'll drop out. Remove the rear axle. And take off the engine and the seat. And he already told them they're going Army with it, so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, what do you think about your boy going Army?
More, how do I think about him in a
Go-kart.
go-kart?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not talk about that quite yet, because I might be crying at the
Probably.
trip.
But all these pieces right here, we're getting wrapped by splash vinyl. So these two will be splash vinyl. This will be splash vinyl. We're gonna repaint that and that black, and probably repaint these black too. Not sure, but
It's gonna look amazing.
it's gonna look
He's a great designer.
incredible.
Like a family,
Yeah. All right, let's go eat.
All right.
What are we doing, buddy?
We're getting out our go-kart and bringing it, because look, it's a piece of junk now.
Look at this.
Woohoo!
Ah,
Now, don't get me. Hey,
got it all.
you
apart.
broke my Lego sushi. You
Look at this.
broke my Lego sushi. How dare you break my Lego sushi?
Daddy got it all apart, didn't we?
You broke my Lego
Oh, no.
sushi.
All right, let's take this thing to get blasted and painted, okay?
Okay,
What color? Black, right?
yes,
Perfect.
bye.
We're back here at Mako Fabrications. This is the same guys who did my other Camaro, but there's his cart sitting right there. So he is gonna get it blasted, primed, and painted gloss black. So we'll see you guys in a couple of days when we come pick it back up. So while we are waiting a few days on Uriah's go-kart, me and the family, hey babe, are here at Sunny South Raceway. Feels crazy being back at this track, huh? This is where I first started racing. If you guys are new to the channel, you may not know this, but I actually started out my racing journey here at Sunny South Raceway in Grand Bay, Alabama at the age of, I think I was 14 or 15 years old. But we are here today while we're waiting on Uriah's go-kart. We're here getting parts. We had to get a bunch of stuff like gas tanks, fuel lines, and stuff like that to swap over to his new engine. But while we were here at the track, Mr. Wayne, the track owner, said we could go out here and walk around, and I'm gonna let y'all see it and show y'all the boys. They're excited to see the track. Here it is. I have made many a laps around this place. The racetrack. Racetrack. Sunny South Raceway in Grand Bay, Alabama. They restriped it for the year. And this will be where Uriah will be racing his go-kart at. Originally, at one point, they were going to put a dirt track in the middle, but that never happened. But, babe, let's get a quick interview. What do you think about your son making laps around this nice track here?
You know, it's not about me. And Uriah just looked at the track and I said, "Are you excited or are you scared?" And he said, "Both." And what happens if I crash? And I said, "Then there'll be people on the bottom that help you back up." And the look on his face takes away the feeling in my heart.
Look at him running over there.
I am honestly scared out of my mind, but I will be decked out from head to toe as
racing gear,
like the school spirit I used to have, and they will all say Ryan.
Well, I'm excited.
I'm excited for him. I'm excited for him to see if he likes it.
He'll be running down here on the bottom, so he won't be up here in the fast stuff. But
you never know what he'll try.
Hey, you never know. Ryan may come riding right up here around the top.
Looks like he got his stuff. Look at little Ezra.
Look at little Ezra. Ezra, go, baby, go! He looks so tiny.
You're so
Oh. God, he's so small over there.
Let me take my hat off first.
All right, buddy. We're here at Sunny South Raceway. What do you think?
Awesome. This is the place I'm racing. It's bigger than I thought.
It's bigger than you thought?
I thought this is how big it was.
Are you going to run the bottom or the top of this track?
What's the bottom and top?
The bottom's down here. The top's up top. You going to run down on the bottom or you going to run in the top? You going to run the top?
Uh-huh.
You know, on dirt tracks, that's fine. But on the asphalt, you want to run down there.
Why are you going to run down back?
Because if you run way up here, somebody's going to drive under you and go around you.
Then, yes.
The bottom. Did we just get some parts for your cart?
Yes.
All right, so now we just got to go get it from the powder coater. Or from
I just ran around this whole track.
You did. We got to go get your cart from the painter, and then we'll put it back together, huh?
Then, can we try to do it
Bless you.
a four to practice on next Saturday?
Yep, but guess what Mr. Wayne just said?
What?
That if we don't make the practice, to just call up here and he'll let you come up here and make laps.
Okay.
So we'll do that.
I want to do the practice with other people.
Okay, let's do it then, all right? So we haven't got your go-kart back yet, but we just got back from the track from getting some stuff.
My go-kart back.
And you guys already know Splash Vinyl Co., which is Travis's company, we got home and now the wrap's delivered. You ready to look at it? Are you gonna show?
We were talking about it today, and I've been waiting for a while.
Are you gonna show them this wrap on this video right now, or are you gonna make them wait and see it on the?
On this one.
You want to show them right now?
You're not going to do a reveal of your car?
Oh, we're gonna reveal it. I hate to cut the splash sticker, but he taped it all up. Watch my finger, I may cut it off.
Oh, babe. So dramatic.
Oh, babe.
Oh, babe. Nobody hate on me.
You're almost like your other feet.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Here it goes. Oh. Ready?
I feel like I need to see your face. Turn around, Uriah. No, watch. Don't look. Don't look. Look to me. Look to me only. Look all the way to mommy. Don't wait. Don't peek.
Ready?
Wait. Oh, well, that's how he says thank you.
Look at that.
So that's what it's going to look like.
What?
Racing camo green.
I
My.
That's awesome. 33. That goes on your nose.
Oh my gosh.
Follow us on YouTube, baby. This is beautiful. All right, guys. So we got to plug our own company right here, Splash Vinyl Co. If y'all need go-kart wraps or any kind of vinyl done, Philip Sandell is the man.
Oh my gosh, these pictures, like it's perfect color.
Perfect. And then this is gonna go on the front right here. So we'll kind of build our own like nose piece, because this will be on the front of the nose, and then this will kind of go on the side, and we'll like angle it. So.
Get out of there.
Woo! Thank you, Philip and Splash Vinyl Co. Y'all be sure to check them out. Like them on Facebook. So it's been a couple of days. I've got Uriah's go-kart in the back of my truck, and I'm about to pull up at home. He has not seen the go-kart yet, and so I want you guys to see one of the best parts of being a dad. So I want you guys to watch what happens when I pull up. I just got off of work. I'm gonna pull up to the house and lay on the horn, and y'all watch this. This is the best part, and then I'll show you guys how the kart looks. Y'all watch this. Ready for this? It's the best parts of my day right here. Keep your eye right here. Here it is. Look. Here we go. Woo! Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Woo! Y'all ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go.
My go-kart at the blaster's ready.
Yeah, I got it in the back of my truck.
Wait, what?
Yeah, watch this. Hold on. Y'all hanging on? Woo! What'd you think of it?
Can't see it.
Let's go look at it. Hold on, let me get out. Told y'all. Never gets old, never gets old. Hey, buddy. All right, let's look at Ryan's go-kart.
That's my go-kart.
Yeah, it is. Let's look at it. Go look at it.
I'm gonna close my eyes first.
You're gonna close your eyes. Oh, it's getting dark.
You're gonna bring it down.
No, I can't bring it down, but you can come jump up here, though. Come here. Just come look at it.
Okay.
On your marks, get set, go. It's black. Glow's black. No more pink. What do you think? Remember what you said at the beginning of this video?
I love it.
What'd you say about the color pink?
It's horrible.
All right, let's get this thing unloaded since it's so dark outside, and get it in the shop where we can really see
let
it.
me show them something.
What do you want to show them, the sun?
I wish that part right there as pink. I wish that was green.
All right, y'all gonna help me unload this?
I wish the whole world. Tell them something.
What?
I wish you could blow the episode to smithereens so you can see the glass busted.
All right, so now that we are in the shop with some light, I can show you guys. Y'all check out how good Uriah's go-kart turned out. And there you go. 2000, I don't know what year this is. Probably not even, yeah, it's like a 2006 or 7, I don't remember. But no more pink. It has been completely blasted and painted, so it looks really good. Judah, what you think of it? You like it?
Yes.
All right. Well, yeah, this is a Rage kart. So, been completely blasted and painted. I'm excited about that. Now to start putting it back together. I've got all of his parts up here, his new engine, all of his tires, and everything right there. And so, let the fun times begin on getting the assembly put back together. It's going to take me a minute to get that done, but overall, I'm very happy with the result of the frame. We got his wrap in already, and so we've already put that on, so that's a plus. So we're very excited to get this thing going. We missed the first practice. Today is February 6th, and so we missed the first practice, but the cool thing is we'll be able to get to the next practice for sure, as long as I get in here and do that. And I do have a cool video coming out on the Pure Stock, so y'all be on the lookout for that. I kind of skipped a video and let you guys go and hang out with Travis and Dad and Philip and them. But I got a lot of stuff going on, you can tell. I'm doing a bunch of videos at one time, but I do have some really cool news. Yeah, buddy.
I want to go inside.
Okay, go. I have some really cool news. I asked you guys earlier, a couple of weeks ago, if you wanted to see some videos from Travis Blevin up in Washington, and I got good feedback on that. And so really cool, and happy to announce that you guys are going to start seeing some legend footage again on our channel, and that's exciting to me. I have to also get this 13 stripped down. It is major damaged. and got a lot of work to do on that. And then I'm about to finish up getting the pure stock painted. I am in the process of getting that video done. So there's your sneak peek on that. Hopefully I've got one more day of work. Hopefully in one more day, I'll have this pure stock painted black now that I got the frame back, and we'll get to rocking and rolling on that. So also wanted to update you guys. I know I'm rambling and I'm long-winded now, but I had somebody ask about the SCDRA build. Them are currently on hold. We're still doing mild things to that, but we had a hiccup with our engine, and so that kind of set us back. So we kind of put a hold on that, and we had the crown stock that we built real quick. So more SCDRA builds are coming. We're just trying to get the things together that we can so that we can get to the track, because the track for the pure stock announced their first race is March 1st. I do not think I'm going to do that, be able to make that, because I'm still waiting on my engine's parts, but hopefully I can. You guys let us know what you think of the video. I'm happy to have Uriah out here in the shop with me working on these go-karts. I'm glad to finally get this thing back, so now we'll just put everything together. Thank y'all for hanging out with me. Please make sure, if you're not subscribed, to hit that subscribe button. Like this video, it really helps us out. If you'd like to follow along and comment below, let us know what you think. Otherwise, we'll catch you guys in the next one. God bless.